Hello folks, welcome back to Jimsraisedbedgarden. It's a bit of a late video. Seems it's nearly tea time and Christmas Eve, and the main reason is obviously just to wish you all a Merry Christmas and all the best for 2026. I've got to say a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. I've managed to hit 102 subscribers. Not a lot for some folks, but for me, I'm absolutely over the moon. Not many videos been out recently. I think the last one was the 4th of December, but still not sorted out health-wise. But I've got a couple of appointments in January, so here's hoping that 2026 is a big improvement all around. Can't thank everyone enough for all the comments. I love the comments. Obviously it helps me improve my knowledge, and I'm just going to give you a quick look, not much, just at disappointment of my Brussels sprouts. And I got a few potatoes, Charlotte potatoes. They're meant for Christmas. I'm going to have them for tomorrow for my Christmas dinner, but I'm not so sure. We'll have a little look. Come and have a look and see what you think. Right folks, here's my Brussels sprouts. What a disappointment. As you can see, there's a good few Brussels on there, but they're absolutely tiny. And needless to say, I won't be growing these again. But then I'm thinking, well, I haven't really looked after them, not properly. Just left to get on with their own devices. And I've got 2 plants in each pot. So I'm thinking, next year, do I just put 1 in a pot, or go back to putting them in my raised beds? But yeah, I love me Brussels sprouts, but so disappointed. I think the only thing I've done for them really is had them covered. I think they're an F1, so I'm thinking if they're an F1, do I need to cover them? Any advice gratefully received, as usual. These are just a couple of lettuces, but obviously they're all rack and ruin. I think they're Brussels sprouts as well. Brussels sprouts. Yeah, there's nothing in there. They need to be pulled out. Beetroot, I meant to say. I just covered them up for a frost, and didn't take the cover off, so they've just been covered really, but they've not grown at all. And I'll just show you my lack of garlic. Not a thing shown. 4th of December I think I planted them, so it's 20 days. So I'm just wondering if I should have had something by now, but patience, that's what they say, isn't it? Patience is a virtue. I'll just give you a quick look. I haven't shown much of it, like, but that's my apple tree. That needs sorting out. It's getting far too tall, and the leaves are virtually dying off. I live in hope. I've done some grafting down there, so I'm hoping next year is going to be the year. But we'll see. And now for my potatoes, I got 4 buckets, and just like I'd used me fleece to cover me vegetables in the bed, once the frost was predicted, I brought them inside and I put them inside my garage, and unfortunately I didn't bring them out when the frost had gone, so they've been stuck in the garage. Oh my goodness. But as you can see, there's not much there. I don't think there'll be a little bit. Oh, they're alright, isn't they? Bit small, but I say they're only Charlottes, and they're not green, so I'll just show you inside the garage for a job I haven't done, then I'll bring you back and show you me all the potatoes. Come and have a look. Excuse the mess. It's absolutely crazy in here, but here's all my bulbs that I should have had planted. So I've got some alliums, crocus. I got all these on holiday, and I was chuffed a bit way back in October, and it's just not been the same since. But here I've got me overwintering onions, snowball, electric and century, and they need to be out, don't they? I can't keep putting that off. So excuse the mess. And there's another couple of me potatoes, but I don't expect anything from them. So yeah, Jimsraisedbedgarden. Been good from February when I started on YouTube. I say I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and just since October, middle of October, it's just been terrible really, but that's down to me health. Come and have a look at these potatoes. Right folks, two pots, and there's my Charlotte potatoes. There's a few half decent, the rest are very small, but that's what I get for not looking after them properly. But I've got 2 more buckets in there, and we'll give them a try next couple of days. But like I say, you learn by your mistakes, don't you? Have a little look. It's Jimsraisedbedgarden, dormant. Got this mess here. I've actually got 2. Not sure if they're cabbages or collies, but I put 9 in that bed, and what a mess. So that's top priority, to get rid of all of that. I've even still got blinking peas growing. Absolutely. Obviously we've had a few frosts, so like I'm not going to use them or anything to get rid of them. We've got to clear all this area. There's my blueberries. Plenty of growth, but no blueberries. Here's to next year. This all needs tidying up. Ready for a greenhouse come Easter. But best laid plans. As you can see, my grass still hasn't been cut. Had a good bit of wind like, so the wind has dried it out. Need to get the strimmer out of it, I think. So, like I say, massive thank you for all your help this year. Doesn't seem 2 minutes since it was last February and I tried to start my YouTube channel. So like again, thank you very much for everyone who's subscribed, liked, commented and given me advice, and hopefully I can learn from that and improve things for next year. And finally, just want to wish us all a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a great time, and I see all the very best for 2026, and hopefully see you shortly into the new year. Cheers guys.